Did you know that 72% of beginner traders in Dubai and the UAE lose money, not because their strategy is wrong, but because they chose the wrong platform? That's right. It's not the indicators or the mindset that failed them. It's hidden fees, slow execution speeds, and brokers operating without proper licenses from regulators like VARA or DFSA. In this video, I'm going to help you avoid that trap. We'll look at 3 of the best Forex and day trading platforms designed specifically for traders in Dubai and the UAE. These platforms are chosen based on real-life experience, side-by-side comparisons, and practical tips to help you stay away from so-called zero-commission platforms that often come with hidden costs. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share one simple tip that could save you thousands of dirhams a year just by choosing the right broker from the start. Let's begin with a common mistake. Many beginners choose a broker based on flashy advertising, like zero trading fees, easy-to-use app, or instant account opening. Sounds appealing, right? But here's the truth. Slow execution means you miss profitable trades. Limited account features hide behind unclear terms and conditions. And the worst part? Hidden charges show up when you try to withdraw your money or access real-time data. One wrong decision about a broker can ruin your entire trading plan. Now, let's dive into 3 brokers that are actually trusted and reliable in the UAE. First up is ADSS, headquartered in Abu Dhabi. This broker is fully licensed by the Abu Dhabi Global Market, or ADGM. They have a physical office and a local support team right here in the UAE. ADSS doesn't follow restrictive rules like the pattern day trader rule, and they offer low spreads with access to Forex, gold, oil, and global indices. They also provide Islamic accounts and very fast withdrawals to UAE bank accounts. A friend of mine in Dubai switched from a foreign broker to ADSS and saved over 3,000 AED in just his first year, thanks to lower fees and faster order execution. The platform might take a bit of time to get used to, but if you're in it for the long haul, ADSS is definitely worth considering. Second, we have Pepperstone MENA, licensed by DFSA and operating right inside the Dubai International Financial Centre. Pepperstone started in Australia but has built a strong and trusted presence in the UAE. Spreads are ultra-tight. EUR/USD starts from just 0.1 pip. Execution is blazing fast, making it ideal for short-term and scalping traders. They support MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Plus, they offer swap-free accounts and negative balance protection. If you're a technical trader or use automated bots, this could be the perfect fit for you. Third on the list is Saxo Bank UAE, also licensed by DFSA and with an office in DIFC. This is a premium platform built for serious investors. Saxo offers powerful tools and access to Forex, CFDs, ETFs, global stocks, and bonds. Their multilingual customer support and high-level service are based right in the UAE. One of my clients in Abu Dhabi uses Saxo Bank to manage his ETF and Forex portfolio. He values the platform's stability and its ability to handle multi-asset strategies. The only downside? Saxo requires a relatively high minimum deposit, making it more suitable for experienced traders or those with larger capital. Now, here's my most important piece of advice. Don't fall for zero-commission marketing. That's only part of the picture. Instead, ask yourself 5 key questions. Is the broker licensed by VARA, DFSA, or ADGM? What's the average spread on major currency pairs? Are there fees for real-time data or withdrawals? Do they support smart order types like trailing stops or bracket orders? And do they have a real support team based in Dubai or Abu Dhabi? Here's a simple tip. Open demo accounts on all 3 platforms and test them out for 1 week. Place trades at 3 different times of day, early morning around 8:30 a.m., midday around 12 p.m., and late night between 2 and 4 a.m. Track the execution speed, spread, and chart delays. Just a few days of testing can help you avoid months of costly mistakes. So let's recap. ADSS is great for local traders who want fast withdrawals and Arabic support. Pepperstone MENA is ideal for technical traders and active day traders. Saxo Bank UAE is for experienced investors who value power, stability, and professional-grade tools. In the world of Forex, the platform you use is often more important than the strategy you follow. Sometimes, success isn't about how you trade, but where you trade. So let me ask, what broker are you currently using? Drop a comment below, and I'll help you check whether you're unknowingly being charged hidden fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.